My husband just got paid, and we have a goal to pay off our mortgage in 5 years. So let me show you how we are doing it. My husband's salary is $90K, and after taxes, insurance, and 401K, his monthly paycheck is $5,625. We budget every paycheck using this template, and we always start with the paycheck period and the rollover box to see if we have money from our previous paycheck available for spending. After that, we insert the paycheck amount of $5,625. Since our priority is to pay off our mortgage, I jump right to the mortgage payment and extra payment. Our regular mortgage payment is $1,498, and the extra payment needed to pay it off in 5 years is $3,334. That leaves us with a balance of $792 that we put towards groceries and some bills and debts until we get the zero-based balance budget. My paycheck is coming in a few days, and with that we cover the rest of the budget categories. We also have around 6 months of emergency fund already saved in a high-yield savings accounts because we never know. This is how we are planning to pay our mortgage early. If you like it and want to use this template, click the button below to access it now.